Hello, my beautiful narc-free family. I'm going to start a playlist of really short videos. I know some of you are crunched for time and you need some things quickly. So I'm going to start a playlist. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call it just yet, but you can look for it as I go. That way I can produce more content because I see a lot of y'all need help. And at the rate I'm going, I can't get enough of what it is I want to tell y'all in these longer videos. So, like I said, 5 minutes or less. So today I'm going to talk about a few topics. And the first one is going to be when is the narcissist coming for you? If you've caused a narcissistic injury. Those of you who are wondering, because sometimes you cause a narcissistic injury and you don't even know that you caused it. Sometimes, when you discard a narcissist, you think they've been bad to you, so you've cut them off. You don't see anything wrong with it because you think they understand why they've been cut off because they've been bad to you. But they take this as an injury when you discard them. They don't care what they did wrong to you. You're just supposed to be there, giving them that sex that they want, cooking those meals, washing their clothes, and doing whatever it is that they put on that list of things for the position you're supposed to be playing. You are, in fact, the slave, and they are in fact the master. And this is the way that it has always been. So when you cut them off and you cause that injury, I'm going to tell you when they're going to come for you. Morning, noon, and night. You might not see them around. They may come back later on, but they are devising a scheme or a plot for you to hoover you later on once they have recovered from that injury. Or on the flip side, they start hunting you right then. If you're married to a narcissist and you discard them and you send those divorce papers in, baby, they're coming for you morning, noon, and night. When you are sleeping, they are up devising plans to of how they can sabotage you, how they can not follow court orders, how they can do things to get you off course. Call your doctor's office and change the phone number for your doctor's appointments to their number so the doctor doesn't call you for your surgery. These are real life things that really, really happen. So they want you to react to the abuse because you have injured them. Remember now, they really don't care what it is that you're going through or what they put you through. All they see is that they have lost their slave. And if you're a good slave, the master wants that good slave back. Okay. All right. So when you're dealing with a narcissist and they start coming at you trying to sabotage you, I also want to leave you with the solution to what you need to do. Do absolutely nothing. You starve that narcissist. You don't give them any attention, no matter what it is they're trying to sabotage you with. Please don't beg a narcissist for money. Please don't be going through a divorce and then expect a narcissist to follow court orders. And then when they don't follow the orders, you're texting them talking about, because by the way, you should be no contact. So you should not be talking to them on the phone or in person if you're going through a divorce. Please don't be saying, hey, the order said da 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 da. Baby, the narcissist is not going to give you no money. They own you. If you have not figured this out yet, they own you. You are their property. Would you be giving, if you own everything, are you going to give some to your little peasants and your little property? That's how the narcissist sees you. They are superior. I need for y'all to wake up. Wake up. Y'all are thinking that you're in a real relationship. Wake up. You're not in a real relationship. Everything about the relationship from the very start was a joke. It was a game. It was, you were handpicked, and the narcissist is going to come for you and basically hunt you if you cause a big enough narcissistic injury. Okay? Wake up. Give them nothing. Do not fuel them. Starve your narcissist. Okay? Only do the things that protect you. Only document what they're saying to you so that you can use it if you have to go to court, should you be in one of those situations. But do not do the back and forth with the narcissist. That's how you starve them. Don't argue back and forth with them. Don't text them back and forth with this BS that they have going on. Starve that narc. That's what you do. That's how you handle a narcissist, like a boss. Okay? If you have liked this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I have reached my 5 minutes. I gotta go. Love y'all.